I got him. Look, he ate it.
Patrick got one. Oh,
tiny dink. Tiny. Oh my god.
You got him? Patrick got him.
There we go.
Oh, nice.
While the boat was moving, it dragged it right into him. That little bass on the worm. Oh. There we go.
Oh, that was terrible.
First cast after we stopped running. There we go. Another tiny one. I see a bass. Oh, I had him. Shite. Oh, I got took. Are you freaking? God damn. Dude, Mom, these are the pieces of crap that eat your worm that are really. I hooked him in the cheek. Oh, get out of here, stupid. Oh man. The beast of the east. Oh, there's a bite. Got him. It's a bass. See, now we're on him. I'm telling you.
Nice. Can Andrew cast on this side since it's closer?
Yeah.
Andrew, you want to come cast on this side?
This trolling motor is so much better.
Oh, Andrew. Don't put your hand in the
Mom,
water,
it's fine. They're not gonna. The gators will go away from the boat.
Put that rod in the rod holder behind you.
You see it. It's so hot. It's in the middle of the water. It was in the shadow.
But you're acting like they're like stealthy, ready to ambush us as we come through in the boat.
That's what they do.
Oh my god. They're not Ninja Turtles.
Because if these batteries stay good, number one, it's we don't have to spend a lot of money. This is the way to control.
This is, dude, if I get a fish, I cannot get them out of these pads. I got a nice bass. Here we go. Pretty good one.
Do not put your hands near the water.
Come here. Yeah. Oh. Yes. There we go. It's a 2. Look at the spots on him.
I had a huge fish.
Yeah. Oh, barely skin hooked him.
Nice.
Oh, he's bleeding. Why is he bleeding?
All right.
I didn't even hook him in the gill.
Just dump him in, please. This is when
Okay, listen. I know. Okay.
Please.
Shut up. I'm not doing anything. God, I'm gonna push you off the boat.
Exactly.
There's like a 2-pounder right there. That was a nice bass. Let's go. It was funny. I was just talking about if I get a good one, I'm not gonna be able to get it out of the pads.
That was a great fish.
Shannon, you see
It's a
how
pretty good one.
gunnels are to walk?
Yeah.
You can walk all the way around the boat.
You got it.
Oh, another fish.
Oh, look, there's a gar right there. Do you see the gar, Dad?
Nice, Pete.
There's a gar. Wait, there's a gar. Look at the gar right there. I'm gonna try to release it and get the gar. Oh shit! Look at the gar. Look at the gar. See him?
Oh yeah, I see.
Exactly. Don't switch again.
Oh, what are you doing? Why? Don't want like that. Whoa!
Oh, he took my worm. Little stinker. I'm getting constant bites. There he is. On the trickworm. Oh, look at that. He did a. You see that? Look right here, Andrew. Look, there's a ton of sunfish.
Andrew, right here. No.
Andrew, right here. Look right there. There's literally 20 sunfish in this.
Oh, you got him. Bassin.
I knew it was gonna come off. Yeah, Mom, I'm sorry to tell you, but you're in a dangerous place. So just watch out for flying fish.
Okay.
Just just in
I
case.
like it. I like it.
In the deck, on the deck.
Oh, I had one. Your feet.
Oh, seems to be
See you.
convenient that you're on my side, huh?
What side am I supposed to catch?
That one, just like I was doing.
I can't catch because I'm not
Really fishy.
nobody there. It's very windy.
I hope there's no one.
It's good.
Yep, that is good.
Slam one. Slam it, Jim. Oh, look.
Oh God.
Here, let me have that. Let me have that.
No, I can get it.
You got it?
I have a fish.
You got one?
I think I had one. Yeah, I got one. That whole time I had a fish. That whole time. It always happens during the backlashes. There he is. Another dink. There he goes. Look at the size of that gator. Oh my gosh, that's huge. How many feet is that?
Wait. Oh, it took my worm.
I think unless you mess with...
That was either a big bass or bowfin.
Yep. So you make more noise.
Another little bass on the U-tail. Oh my God, what is that? Jesus!
Oh, what is that? Wait, don't get hung up. I'll get you over there. Oh, that's a big bass. Oh man, look at that fat guy.
Fat A. Fat A.
Get a picture of that.
All my worms are turning into Senkos. No, you gotta let him down gently so the gators can get you. Oh. It came off.
Wait, let me cast back up.
It's a sunfish.
Andrew, how are they going to string the line between them?
Stop. Oh, I did.
Oh.
Nice bass.
You wanna net it?
Oh, the alligator swimming.
That's a nice one.
That's a chunk.
That's a nice one. Yeah, that's a good one right there. That's your best one ever out of here.
Going? Double up. Tiny.
Mine's a little bit bigger.
And that big hook.
That was video. I think I got it.
You can't get it out? You want Dad to look at it?
Okay, I've got it.
Alright.
Okay, Andrew.
Wait, double up. No, drop it in. They're busy.
Just drop it in, Andrew.
Okay, whatever.
Guys.
Stack.
Oh, I got it.
You got it?
Yep.
You see that? You see that tower right there? The one that makes the power line go around it? That was here first. And that.
Oh, come on.
That's see the crane boom straight ahead. That's where we were. We're getting there, Mac.
Here we go. Hooked up.
What is it?
It's a bass.
Nice one.
There we go.
Yeah.
What be?
PatBassin.
Yeah, I'm the bass assassin. PatBassin, the bass assassin. MacBassin, the assin. Let's go. Alright. Another solid little Glades bass. Gotta be one back there.
Oh, yeah, you just want to catch something.
Oh, there we go. Nice fish. Nice fish. There we go.
Old man fishing.
There we go.
Nice one.
Old man fishing with the fixin'. Look at that. He bit that. Stuck it right over there on that edge. He did the jump. Did you see that? You see that?
3?
Fatty.
Really fat.
2.5.
It's really chunk. Look at that.
I'll give it. He's pushing 3. He's up there. Oh. There's an Oscar.
I don't know how you forgot that you had them in your pocket.
They're my
You
pocket.
took them from me yesterday.
The green ones.
There's an Oscar.
Are on the boat. I even told you this
Could you
morning.
make an effort to like not take other people's stuff? Because then,
He gave him to me.
Patrick,
Yeah, but
don't borrow them. Don't borrow them. Get your own.
I have my own. It's true.
he's actually being a good sport about it. Last time you were
Oh, a bass just took
It
it.
was out like it was last time.
I saw the bass eat it.
That was cool. I saw it too, Pete.
Watch your rod get in the tree.
Well, you're gonna have to help me with that. Someone pick up my rod.
There he is.
The watermelon's so weird.
There he is. Let him go.